My name is Peter Alexander, and I'm a 1988 graduate of the Alpena Community College Concrete Technology program. In 1996, I took a position as a lab technician with Alpena Community College, which worked into a teaching position with the Besser Company, and now my title is training specialist, and I get to teach Besser customers from all around the world on the aspects of the block making equipment, such as what you see here in the background. This is a Besser V312 VibraPack block machine, and again, I get to teach folks from all around the world on the important aspects of maintenance, adjustments, as well as the mix design portion of making a good quality concrete masonry unit. The Concrete Technology program helped a great deal in my preparation for my position as an operations manager at the block plant. In fact, when I interviewed for the position originally as still a student at in the Concrete Technology program, one of the questions that got me the job, the interviewer asked me why concrete, why I was interested in that. And my answer to her was that I liked the aspect that concrete has so many variables to it. And as a troubleshooter, I like to isolate the variables and try to figure out what's causing any given problem on any given day. So that's the part that I find most intriguing about the concrete industry, the masonry industry specifically, and how the education I received here at ACC helped me to deal with those problems. As a concrete technology graduate, I've always been a huge supporter of the program, and do occasionally, through my travels with Besser Company, get the chance to visit with high school students. And I always like to explain to them the benefits of our concrete technology program here in Alpena, because of the fact that nobody yet has figured out a better way to start any construction project than with concrete. Again, they haven't developed anything yet to come out of the ground with than concrete. So every construction project starts with concrete, and that means there will always be jobs for graduates of our program. Some of the attributes that I see in our graduating students today are the fact that they have a much better computer knowledge than I ever did as I went through the program. Computers were just coming on the scene at that time, and so I had to kind of learn as I go, whereas today's concrete tech graduates come out of high school with a very good computer knowledge, and they can just move forward from there. The thing I find most intriguing about the concrete masonry industry is the design flexibility with masonry. As architects continue to come up with new and different designs for buildings, the masonry industry has to follow suit and create new molds, new shapes to produce these blocks. As a plant manager in Virginia, we had the opportunity at one point to create block for the Cato Institute in New York. The architect had designed many different styles and shapes of block, and we then had to create the molds to produce these block that were burnished on one side and split on another side, and block that would have virtually all 6 sides of them have something done to them, as I said, such as splitting and or burnishing, to create this beautiful structure in New York City. And you can see different designs of that throughout the country and throughout the world as architects, as I said, continue to come up with these different designs. And masonry, again, gives us the flexibility to create those wild, sometimes, designs.